Hi, Assalamualaikum. So I'm going to show here, actually try to guide you how to answer the tutorial. We have 4 questions on the probabilities, right? Okay, so I will go with you with the first tutorial. First of all, you need to read the questions and then try to put all the information or all the probabilities values given to you in a contingency table. Alright, so let's do that. So a computer firm has 60 college graduates on its staff, 28 of whom had their college training in computer science. So we know that the total is 60 here. Okay, so this is the total. Alright, now what is this question about? They are talking about the college graduates, and of these employees, 39 are under 40 years old, and among these 39, 21 had college training in computer science. So this is about under 40 years old or above 40 years old. So we can put that as our first event. So greater than 40 years old. And this is smaller than 40 years old. Okay. And first event is about whether they have a computer science training, alright, or not computer science training. Alright, so of these employees, 39 are under 40 years old. Okay, so under 40 years old, the total number is 39. So these are the total of 39, regardless they have a computer science training or not. Alright, so this is from this sentence. Okay, and then we also have this sentence, among these 39, 21 had college training. So among these 39, 21 had college training here in a computer science. So we have 21 here. Okay, what the information does? If a person is chosen at random from among the 60, what is the probability that he or she will be over 40 and have no training in computer science? So this is actually the questions. Okay, so we want to know the probability of, it will be over 40. Okay, and no computer science training. Okay, so which column is this? Okay, over 40 here and not a computer science here. So this is where we have to find. Okay, so how could we fill in this information? Okay, so remember at the last part of the slides, okay, this is the total number. So if we have 60 here, we have 39 here, so what will be the value here? So it will be 60 minus 39, which is 21. Right? Okay, so let me just highlight what are given. Okay, so these value are given to us. Okay, and we need to find this. Right? Okay, so similarly, we know the total number is 39. Okay, so 39 take away 21, we should get this column. Okay, so we will have 18. Right? Okay. Now what else? Oh, we forgot this. Okay, 28 of whom had their college training in computer science. So the total of staff who have their college training in computer science is 28. Okay, so this is also given. So what is the value here? 28 take away 21 is 7. Alright, so what will be the value here? This cell. Okay. Yes, it's 60 take away 28. That will be 32. Okay, is now x is easy. X is 32 take away 18 would be 14. Alright, so that is the value of x. So what is the probability of x? Probability of x is 14 over the total number of a candidate, that is 60. Or you can also give me the answer as a 7 over 30. Do you understand this? How can I get this? So I hope it's clear. So the rest of the question is similar like this. Try to fill in the blanks and use all the rules, then only answer the question. So sometimes after you fill in all the cells in the contingency table, then you can derive the answer. You just need to know whether it's AND or then what rule you have to use, whether addition rule or multiplication rules. Alright, good luck.